Hello, my name is Oghenekaro Osogba. This is for my graduate honor certificate. This is one of my first projects I worked on regarding backend development course for Python. Basically, I was working on Python knowledge and everything. And I created a game, and the game is just basically you get quick fire math questions in a specific amount of time, then it scores you based on the amount of questions you're able to answer. So yeah, so let me just do a quick example of the game. So let's run that quick math of pi. Oof, that is not good. Let's go see the portfolio projects. See math, no quick math. Okay, cool. So I'm going to enter my name. I'm going to choose difficulty of medium, and I'm going to say 30 seconds. Don't have time. So just testing the app. 11. Don't judge me, please. 4. Yeah. Yeah. Nope. Nope. Nah. So it tells you the time you have left. It's not like real time, but what you gonna do? So yep. So you can see this is my the score is 9. Caro, you just broke your high score for medium mode, 30. Yay. Um, I can try again as a current user. I can try again as a new user. So if I try again as a new user to tell me to put a new name. Then I'll pick medium. Then I'll say 30 seconds again. Then I'll just keep playing. So 19. Oh no, I should have done this. -4, -4, 5, 7. 9, 7, 24, 30, -35, 15, 3, 24, 5, 4. And yeah, so you now have a high score table for no medium, 30 seconds. So you see Mufet on top and Carry second. So this is basically the game. I'm just going to end it. And that ends the game. So basically, this is the code. This is the code structure. All this, yeah. So this is the code structure. You have quick math helpers. We built a quick math class that basically does all that stuff and runs the code. This is the actual function that just calls that class. Then you build, get a session, and you play game. Then this is just got the logic to control when you want to start again, when you want to end it. You want to change users, and that's basically the code. For this code, it's all Python, I think, mostly Python. I think I use the string inbuilt packages, random string and time. Those are the only packages I used. One of my biggest challenges was playing around with classes. That was challenging a bit. Yeah, then it was just a whole difficulty working with the logic. That was just basically what my biggest challenge was. It wasn't with any package. It was just trying to get all the logic to come together and make sense, especially trying to create different difficulties. That was kind of tough as well. So yeah, this is the game, and thank you very much. It's been an enjoyable experience in Nucamp, and hopefully I get to do the full stack course. Bye. It's a long goodbye. Very long goodbye. Oh, here.